inactivate a license in Neuron, first open the licensing section within the system area and then click on the name of the license you wish to inactivate. You will now see two buttons, one to remove the license and another to unlicense it. Only invalid licenses or licenses with errors can be removed. This means that you will not be able to remove valid licenses. In the event of an invalid license, simply click Remove. However, if you simply wish to migrate your license to another node, click the Unlicense button. This will create a binary file that should be downloaded and sent to your Neuron sales representative, along with the host and UID for the new node. This process will automatically generate a new license that will then be sent back to you. At this stage, it's important to note that once a license has been unlicensed, it will no longer be considered valid. Please be careful when uninstalling Neuron or upgrading from version 120 to 121, as this will also cause licenses to be lost. Therefore, it's very important to carry out the unlicense process beforehand.